everybody, today we're going to be playing some Subway Surfers. Here we go, Subway Surfers time. Yup. Thank. Let's play again. Here we go, Subway Surfers. Alright, so, y'all, apologies, but like it's just like Bob the Train that just suddenly surprise called me. I don't know why he did it, cause he's just being such a jerk. So let's go. Criticize one of his videos. It's not loading. Well, my apologies, guys, but I'm not sure I can pull up a Bob video right now. Dang it, why is it not working? Bob the Train videos. There we go, let's look at this, guys. Alright, y'all, we're gonna be listening to, this one. No, wait, this one. Hey, listen to this one. No, this one sucks. I'm not gonna listen to this one. Alright, do the next one. Alright, here you go, guys. Transport song. Alright, this is gonna be. Okay, I want to point out that it literally looks like a Roblox game, but I may not play it like yeah, this guy's staring into my soul right now. So yeah, and really don't like him. He sucks.
Transport vehicles today.
Oh my gosh, it's Lightning McQueen. Ka-chow, ka-chow, ka-chow. Lightning McQueen. I don't even know this dude. This guy's a GTA NBC. This guy's a GTA.
Ring the bell, somebody's not well. Let's call an ambulance. Ring the bell, somebody's not well. Our friendly ambulance.
Who does this dude? This dude look like he's gonna bob it in his own wheel.
An ambulance can save a life. An ambulance can help you. An ambulance can take you fast. Wow, wow, wow.
What was that? Wow, wow, wow! Like, are you kidding me? I tried to imitate an ambulance. You are so immature, Bob. I just don't know.
What a shame the
What the? Bro, that fire does not look real. They look like some red bushes. Like, come on, animators, do better. Like, look at this dude. No, so kind of point out the animation looks pretty abysmal in this video. Like, I just don't know why. Like, Bob. Yeah, I don't know why. Let's just continue watching.
barn's aflame. Let's call the fire.
Also, another thing to point out. What a shame. Bro, how are you be happy and jolly if your house burned down? How are you be happy and jolly? How are you gonna be a jolly good fellow if your house burned down? If your whole city burned down? It was a wildfire, and then how are you gonna be happy and jolly? Like, it makes no sense. What a shame. Be quiet, Bob. You probably did this.
Truck. What a shame the barn's aflame. Our brave and bold fire truck. Oh,
That does not look like a fire truck. That also looks like another bootleg Lightning McQueen. But, as we must continue on this video. Yep, and, ka-chow.
fire truck can put out flames. A fire truck can rescue. A fire truck comes fast as it can. Wow, wow, wow.
Again, Bob. You're not a fire truck. You're a dumb bootleg of Thomas the Train.
Look up high, up in the sky. It's a great big airplane.
It's a big, great airplane. Oh, let's see. How did you get to heaven? Like, come on, Bob. Come on, Bob. How'd you get in heaven, Bob? Okay, let's continue on.
Airplane can fly so high, carrying all those people through the clouds. It's fly. Zoom, zoom.
Sure. Should do the first 2 minutes of it. Well, sure.
Finally, Bob the Train is normal for once. Because he was on, he's on terrain. He was even on clouds. Like, bro. And realistically though, the clouds, you cannot walk on them or jump on them. You cannot do anything on the clouds. They're just vaporized water, Bob. Vaporized water. Aren't you supposed to be educational? I want to see some science for once.
All around goes the passenger train, crossing fields, crossing towns, the very long passenger train. A train can take you in.
Excuse me, why isn't that train secure? Like they can fall off any time. They can fall off any time. Like, come on, dude. Come on, Bob. Do better. Bob. Just forget it.
Where from places near to places far.
No. Yeah, it kills some trains. But that little carriage, it looks very uncomfortable to sleep in. So, Bob, I might have to disagree with this one, Bob. Also disagree on everything you say because you suck and Thomas is better than you. Why does that sun look like a virus? Like, bro, look at the sun. The sun does not look normal. It looks like a literal virus. It looks like a literal disease.
Through the seas and loving the breeze, the cruise ship does sail on across the waves for days and days. The majestic ship sails on. A ship can cross the oceans wide. A ship can take you places. A ship can sail for days and nights. Splish, splash, splash.
Oh. That's some pretty bad animation. Like, look at this dude. Like, I don't know what to say. This ship is pretty badly animated. No, I hate this so much. Let's do this. Alright, goes another bootleg Lightning McQueen.
Look at the street, it's time to meet our favorite school bus. So many seats.
School bus. That's not like a school bus. Looks like it looks like a city bus. Yeah, those old janky like city buses. They're all dirty and polluted. Yeah, those ones. Yeah, it's not perfect, Bob.
Late, a school bus will drop us home.
Wow, that was a very great video. Okay, here are my thoughts on it. My thoughts are, Bob, the world not revolve around you, and yeah, it just doesn't, Bobby. You are a dumb little bootleg of Thomas, and you'll never beat Thomas because Thomas is way better than you. And so keep dreaming, Bob, and